So it's day 2. Just woke up in the Walmart parking lot. Wyatt slept like shit. Said he only got a few hours.
Yeah, woke up once an hour.
Yep. So now we're gonna go get some hot water for our oatmeal, and then hit the road again. We're gonna try to make it to Manitoba, sleep in Manitoba tonight, because we're in Sault Ste. Marie right now. We just gotta make it over to North Bay, and then from there to Manitoba. So Thunder Bay. I keep fucking up with that. Thunder Bay, not North Bay. Yeah, it's 7:35. So that's nice. At least the sun's not completely out, so we're gonna have a lot of sunlight for the drive. Stash your trash. Next 10K, there's moose. Better watch the fuck out. Get up speed. Yeah, it was fucking cool. Oh shit, boy.
Hmm?
Yeah. It's not gonna rock, but whatever.
Size limit reached.
What's that? Everything goes quick. Okay, so this morning we woke up in Sault Ste. Marie, right here, and we traveled along this stretch of road all the way over on top of Lake Superior to Thunder Bay, which we are in right now, and we're going to be eating some Mr. Noodles in the car, hopping back on the road, and hopping on this road over here, following it all the way up, past the time zone, and then through into Manitoba. And then we're going to hit Winnipeg, which is like up in this area somewhere. Cool, yep. So, we'll see you back on the road in a bit, I guess. Not going to be much to see, 'cause it's going to be dark as fuck, but whatever. Damn it, that wasn't even recording! Okay, now it's recording. We're good. So, now that we're recording, we drove past the fucking marker thing. Time zone. We're in the next time zone now. We're an hour back from what we were 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, in Ontario it's 7 o'clock, and in
Also Ontario.
the other part
in further
of
western Ontario.
It's 6 o'clock.
Yeah. So, we didn't notice because of Fort fucking Francis.
We just missed it on the map.
Yeah, nobody was screaming, "Where's Fort Francis?" Seth, pull out the map. We gotta find Fort Francis. Yeah, we used an actual map too, by the way. Gotta figure out where the fuck we're going. And yeah, so.
What are you doing?
I'm videotaping to show your stupidity of thinking we could drive till fucking midnight. It is 7:35 currently, and this is how fucking. Look at that. Can you see anything? No, because it's pitch fucking black. Explain yourself, sir.
Oh look, there's a truck.
Oh, look at that, a fucking transport truck. God damn. This is, wow. I mean, this is the most populated area I've seen in my life. Like, look at this, all these road signs that basically say, hey, there's a road that's really gonna suck up ahead. You should probably slow down.
Yeah, and like every kilometer there's a sign that says night danger.
Fuck off with your night danger ass bullshit.
With a sign of a moose.
Yeah, it's real cool. It's badass. Night driving. I drove for, by the way, I drove for 7 hours today, and he's like, oh yeah, you just drive that long and then I'll drive to midnight and it'll be great. And now we're fucking pulling off the road in 47 minutes. And it's been, what, 2-3 hours tops?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so end of day 2, and we're in, was it Dryden?
Dryden, yeah.
Yeah, Dryden. We were hoping to make it to Winnipeg tonight.
Yeah, it's pitch black right now, and it's only like 9 o'clock. So they keep warning about moose and night danger. That's what the sign says. So
Yeah, like every 300 meters there's a sign that says night danger with a picture of a moose.
yeah. So we figure we pull over and then just wake up early tomorrow and get in Manitoba. So
yeah, start making our way across the prairies. So yeah, I don't know. How was that trip for you?
I mean, it was good at the beginning. You drove for 7 hours.
Yeah, fair enough. So I drove for like 7 hours, and then he only got to like 4 because it was pitch fucking black, and this is the only town that we could probably stay in.
Yeah, for like another 3 hours.
Yeah.
We drove 1,054 kilometers today.
Yeah, good times. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's that bad a place. At least we're not like staying on the side of the road, which would be real shitty.
Yeah, we're at another Walmart, so.
Yeah, Walmart is our like safe haven for this whole trip, pretty much. Yeah, also the beginning was sick with all the mountains and shit like that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of, like the last little leg of it just real flattened out and then got dark.
Yeah, but yeah, the rest of the trip we should be taking our time, and Seth will be able to skate more and stuff, so it should be good.
Yeah, should be real good. So stay tuned for the next one, which is our tomorrow, your next week. Peace.